to take off a carbon fiber panel, change a block that I fucked up years ago. And the panel's more expensive than the entire fucking car. So I'm really fucking worried. So I've been fucking up carbon fiber here with a screwdriver.
Oh shit.
Because my lock was drilled out. So hopefully this comes off no problem whatsoever. And we can put the new lock in.
So in case you guys don't know how to get rid of or take out the rear finish panel, it's really easy. What is it, like 10,
Lights.
10 bolts? Dude, you got a trunk light?
Like that
You
shit.
guys got a trunk light? I've never seen a trunk light in a Miata.
Oh, that's aftermarket as shit. Like you follow it.
Well, that's kind of cute.
Oh yeah.
I don't think that comes from factory. And the zip
The
tie.
zip
And then there's a few more bolts in this that hold the actual panel on.
Yeah. So they are.
I think there's like 4.
There's one right here.
Yeah, one there, one there, one there. So that's
And
3.
then one way back here. Oh, you don't have them here. And then there's little. Oh, you don't have them in here either.
Yeah, so the panel, the carbon fiber panel, doesn't come with, if I remember correctly, it doesn't come with the clips for that. So where the bolts slide in.
And you also gotta take the damn license plate off. It always sucks. Oh, you got 2 there as well.
Yeah.
Oh.
Hidden fuckers.
It's crazy how different every single kit is. This is what, the carbon Miata kit, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's the carbon Miata kit. So in case you guys never seen how it gets installed, that's how it gets installed.
There's actually these little like spacer bolts. It's fucking weird. It's like a. It sucks.
Get some wicked shots. Look at that angle. That is some wicked angle there.
Wow.
Look at that. Get the focus all set up right so you can see his hand all pretty.
Fucking beautiful.
As I rub the microphone into the car and probably just ruin everything.
Oh.
Yeah, that's all you're gonna hear. Fuck.
No. Maybe not. It's so bright. I can do my makeup with it. Pretty fancy and stuff.
Oh, she's almost ready to go. There goes the second tail light. Is it ready to come yet?
If I remember correctly, there's 2 clips somewhere in here.
Maybe if you flash the light, you can see more. Yeah. There you go. Beautiful.
So originally, and I think I threw them out with the other panel, you're supposed to have these little slide bolts that slide into these bad boys.
Oh, yeah. I can give you them off my metal panel.
I don't even think it needs them. Feel the weight of that.
Oh my god. Show her. This is why carbon fiber is so proper.
It like weighs like nothing.
Oh, what the fuck?
Yeah, it weighs
I
nothing.
thought it was gonna be so much heavier.
Yeah, no, it's.
That's why it's so.
Oh my god.
That's why carbon
That's
fiber is
literally-
race car
yeah.
parts.
I feel like I can just.
All Formula 1 cars are carbon fiber. It's strong and extremely light.
Now in the next video, we figure out how to fuck. What do you think? You think just like some clear epoxy maybe over that?
Hopefully, just drill it out.
Drill it out.
Yeah.
Sick
So
son
to
of-
make a perfect circle. That's what I did with mine, and it ended up looking way better.
Yeah.
Because it was a little fucked up like that. See how like it almost was missing like that?
Yeah, I know.
I took a hole saw, like a Christmas tree bit, and I opened it right up, and once you see it, it's like a perfect circle.
Yeah, might do
Yeah,
that
and it
then.
fits it beautifully. Because
Maybe.
I had to open it up so that the actual lock itself could to actually come out a little bit of it. Take all these crazy angles for YouTube videos. You know, like,
I
oh,
keep. It's just okay.
That thing's busted right up.
So you're changing that all the time?
Yeah, because I'm tired of using screwdrivers to open my trunk.
Well, yeah.
and it ruins this thing too. Carbon fiber cuts it off.
Surprisingly, actually, these bolts weren't as tight as the
Oh, yeah?
light ones. Yeah.
So there's just the two bolts behind there, right?
Yeah, and then just the rod, which I guess we'll figure out how that disconnects.
Is it like a C clamp?
It just looks like a plastic tab that holds it in place, to be honest.
Oh, okay. Shouldn't be too hard.
I bet you actually even easier what we could have probably done. If you want to get the camera in there, I'm just seeing it now. But it looks like we could, on this one, there's this little tab, and we could probably just change the whole fucking cylinder.
yeah, probably.
It's loose, I don't know. You can see it moving in there. So we probably could have just fucking popped that little ring out
Oh yeah.
and just slid in the new one,
Yeah.
but whatever. The body on this is screwed on the drill anyway. On the bottom. Take it out. I'll show you.
Yeah, that should be easy, just popping it off with the flathead screwdriver.
Yeah.
That'll just get that clamp right up.
Well, now we're gonna have to use these ugly keys. Compared to my, yeah, look at this one compared to, look at that key compared to the new ones. They're just trash. They're just ugly. I don't like them.
As you can tell, one's much better
I don't think it's that ugly.
Well, I'm gonna
Are
do
you
them.
serious?
Yep.
Huh.
Done deal. It's that easy, baby.
That was me, yeah. We almost locked the keys back in the trunk again. Because of me. Yeah, I know. So guys, we're going to get rid of the charcoal canister, all the stuff included. We're going to start getting rid of all the coolant, or not coolant, the AC stuff. And he's going to be upgrading his radiator real soon, so we're going to have a new radiator coming in, all aluminum, dual core, nice fancy boy. And yeah, so we're just going to clean this up real nice, and yeah, take you guys along the way. Look at how much cleaner this puppy is already.
Holy shit, look at that fucking alone.
Yeah, you want to know,
That
what
fucking-
you do? You want a full crank on there. Yeah, you reinstall his old fucking airbags. You go like this.
Yeah.
And then when you plug it in and you go start your car, the airbags go off.
Thanks, Cody.
That'd be actually great.
So when you install new airbags on newer cars,
Yeah.
you before you put everything in, you can wires that goes out the car and you move away from it because it will go off sometimes,
Sure.
especially in like collision cars and stuff.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Alright guys, so this is where we're at right now. So we went to go release the coolant lines here, or Jesus, why do I keep saying coolant? The AC lines, and they actually released like a lot of pressure. So Cody's gonna look into maybe possibly getting AC back into his car. He's gonna check it out, see what it's gonna take. So we might leave it, we might take it out later, we'll see. But that's pretty sick. Not a lot of cars are like that. yeah, this looks really better, much better. We gotta clean it up a bit, but it's gonna clean up real nice.
Yeah, I think that's just what it does.
Even over here, even just removing that, taking that bracket off and just removing the diagnostic box, huge difference. And then that stupid
Relocating, we shouldn't say.
yeah, I guess relocating. Then getting rid of the stupid airbag sensor. That line that goes over, super clean now, much better.
I just gotta do this fucking. Those hood poppers that you have. Those things are sick.
Oh, the hood oh yeah.
Props,
Yeah, the hood props are fucking awesome. Cause it gets rid of the stupid.
I know, it's such an easy.
And it's so cheap too.
Do you find you get problems in the colder weather with it?
Alright guys, so tomorrow we're gonna go check out a car meet. It's gonna be really cool. We're gonna take both the Miatas and get some pics, and hopefully it turns out really good. Hopefully there's a good turnout, and I'll bring this thing along, and hopefully I get some really good footage for you guys. But yeah, stay tuned.